If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets, then this video is for you. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, as usual, I'll cover all the lists that you can see at the right side of the screen. DXY, Euro dollar, Pound dollar, gold of course, and all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, and US30. Before we start, I want all of you guys who are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to go to our YouTube channel. It's this one here. Go to the homepage and subscribe. Subscribe guys, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and keep watching till the end. As usual, the forecast will be very important. I'll share a lot of things with you. I'll share a lot of tips, advice that will help you with your trading. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. DXY for this one, most of you know that we were expecting market to go to the downside. Before actually the tariffs, before actually what was announced regarding the tariffs from US to the Europe, China, Japan, and all the other countries. Anyway, we were expecting market to go to the downside. Last week, I said to you, if I go to the 4 hours, I said to you guys, market will be going to the downside regardless if it's from here or even if this goes to the upside to break the top or not, the direction is toward the downside. Do you remember that? If you remember this forecast, guys, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Now, I want to go back, guys, to the daily before I start covering what's next, just to show you something, especially for those who are new to We Trade Waves. If you go to our YouTube channel, guys, this one, all right? And we go to the videos, which this one here, just to show you something, and you scroll all the way down to this one, okay? This was actually 4 months ago. Look at this, 4 months ago, all right? So if you go and you watch this video, this actually was our forecast regarding the XY. Market was here, and we said market will correct, want to push up before the next drop. Every single wave, guys, step by step from here. Look at this one. This is 4 months ago. Can you see that? All right. So if we go to the XY now, look at this. It was here the forecast, right? So market broke the top. It gave us a corrective structure. We went all the way up to 110 and then now is here, all the way down to this level. So that's the before and after. That's the power of wave analysis, and that's the power of knowledge. If anyone says to you, actually, you cannot predict the markets, send them We Trade Waves channel, guys. Let them see. Let them actually learn, because this is very important. Again, this is before us knowing like there is tariffs, there is actually the policies of what will be implemented exactly. We knew that market will give us a corrective structure, up and then drop. And that's exactly what was happening before as well. I'm repeating this just for those guys who are new to We Trade Waves, and I'm repeating, if you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end. And by the way, today guys, I have a special discount for you. Keep watching. I'll give it to you during the video for just 5 to 6 members only. All right. So again, a special discount based on your request. I will give it to you today. Make sure to keep watching. So again, to this one, this was actually the last time Trump came into the office in 2016. He was elected here. So we've got a corrective structure up and then all the way down. Again, I'll repeat this one. I explained this for you just a bit before I continue. This what the market will be doing, and this what the market was doing here as well. It's not the history repeat itself. It's actually it's the same person, the same policy, the same mindset, the same mentality. Why market will not behave the same? All right. So for this one, again, $5 trillion have actually wiped out from the stock market, and a lot of as well money have entered the crypto market. All of these guys will be discussed in details anyway during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. So if you are not joining yet, this is actually the website. And again, keep watching. I have a special discount for you. Anyway, regarding the structures, we've got this up wave. We've got this corrective structure here, this up wave. This is a regular flat. Okay, in the bigger picture, this is the daily chart. After that, market started to fold. This is an impulsive wave or part of it. What do I mean by that, Alan? If I go to the 4 hours, this drop wasn't actually clear to us, like I said. If you remember this forecast, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. From here to here, it's a wave of its own. It's an impulsive wave, by the way, okay? So what's next? Either market give us a corrective structure to the upside and then another fall, or market will start to give us a bigger corrective structure. So short term, I would say this the first few days, the first 2 days of the week, I would say market will give us a corrective structure, another push up. So if you want to trade the XY should push to the upside. Again, this analysis, this is forecast. You should not jump in, you should not follow us blindly, but this is what we can see next. The details regarding the levels, the details regarding the trades of the week will be shared in detail by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time for WTW Pro members. Okay, so for this one, the direction now is toward the upside, and how far this will go, we need to follow and we need to see. If this will be just a pullback or a corrective structure, market will fall after. But I'm just giving you guys the first, I would say, part of the move. It's a corrective structure and then up again. This is what we can see next for the XY next week. Euro dollar for this one is exactly the inverse. Market went to the upside. Again, if you remember, we said this a potential expanding flat here. If you remember that, and then market will push to the upside. By the way, guys, just to show you something, look what our members are doing inside the Discord community. I'll show you this one. So this is our website, in case you don't know. This is our website here. You can check as well our Trustpilot profile here if you click into this one. By the way, this is clickable, guys, yeah? A lot of our actually members, they go here and they give us the reviews as well. And thanks a lot for all of you are giving us the reviews here, guys. We are appreciating actually this one, and we are reading every single one of it. Anyway, once you join, you'll get access to the Discord community. And if I go to this one here, look at that. I will show you guys this one. I'll start from general, by the way. If I scroll up, look at this. This is Zuhair, right? And this is one. If I show you the time, this is actually April 2. Okay, this is the date. Then if I go to the success stories as well, this is actually where our members are posting their success stories. Look at this one. These are the channels that you will get access to as soon as you join, by the way, all of these ones. So in this one, look at that. So we have Riyadh again. This is actually for the past, I would say, what? For the past 30 days, look how many success stories we have. Riyadh, we have Bilal, we have as well Dilip. And if I scroll down, we have as well Nick, Bilal again, and scroll down, Hassan. He have actually reached the 2% target. This is a challenge actually T is giving for our members on the Sunday sessions. If you scroll down, we have Kunal as well, making actually good money trading the markets. And if you scroll down, Christian, it's not one or two, guys. Look how many. Memo actually yesterday, April 5, he passed 2 challenges, right? So it was crazy. Very good, guys. We are so proud of you, by the way. Keep pushing. We are with you actually on every single day. And we will keep actually pushing you and motivating you to succeed more and more. That's actually, guys, what you are missing if you are not joining WTW Waves. You see the success stories. It's not actually if we are making money, for sure are making money, is actually what our members are doing. So again, I showed you the Trustpilot. I showed you actually the success stories of our members. And we are so happy for that, by the way. All right. So for you, dollar, for this one, again, keep watching and give you the special discount inside the video or during the video. And it will be just for 5 to 6 members. Only those who actually haven't joined us before. So you can actually maybe get advantage of this one if you'd like to. And as well, we have actually shared, guys, if you don't know or if you haven't checked that, a psychology session, free session. And this was recorded. We have posted here. You can go and check it. It will help you a lot, all right? It's called Trading Psychology. This was a live session posted actually for public, for everybody. So if you haven't watched this one, you go and watch our YouTube channel, okay? It's called Trading Psychology. So back to euro dollar, Alan. For this one, market went to the upside. This was again an expanding flat here. We've got this upwave, crazy setup here. Our members have made a lot of money, who like those who trade euro dollar. This was a crazy buy. Anyway, after this one, what's next? This is a corrective structure or part of it, which means corrective structure or more drop is very possible before the next upwave. The direction is toward the upside, right? Just to be clear, the direction is toward the upside. This wave, it can be finished here, or we will get a big corrective structure before the next up wave. Which wave to trade is up to you. If we get a sell setup, we might go for the sell setup first before the next buy setup, all right? So if you are not in yet, you can wait for market to give you a corrective structure, and then you can look for the sell setups, okay? After that, we'll update you. For now, we think that market will give us a big corrective structure before the next move. Pound dollar for this one is exactly the same. Again, this was perfect in terms of the structure, and market started to go back down. Is this reversal? No, it's not. This is just a part of the corrective structure, which means correction, another drop before the next up wave. That's for now. This corrective structure, guys, can extend. It can become complex. That's why it's very important to follow us on a weekly basis. And if you are in, this is what you will get access to, by the way. Once you join WTW Waves, guys, WW Pro, you will get access to all of these features here, all right? Read them one by one here. This is all the features that you will get access to. Masterclass course, the lesson notes as well, the special trading strategy, W account and only 3 trades, access to the Discord community from day one, and all the rest that you can see the downside. All of them, okay? So if you are not joining, you are missing out. You don't have to do that. Do not waste more time and money. As Warren Buffett always say, the best investment you can ever make is to invest in yourself. So why not to follow that, right? So if you want to keep gambling the next wave, keep losing, keep trying yourself, do that. We don't mind. But if you want actually to Give actually some knowledge to yourself. Invest in yourself first before you put $1 in the market. That's very important, guys, especially for the beginners. Invest, guys, in your knowledge. Invest in your ability to predict the next wave, because that's the first thing you have to do. Predict the next wave correctly. Have the high accuracy. And we are the best in this one. We can tell that, all right? So again, pound dollar, corrective structure drop before the next structure. Gold for this one, market went to the upside. We said to you last week, guys, this is not done yet. Market pushed it upside and we've got this up wave. Anyway, all the details for this one is explained on YouTube and inside as well our private sessions. So we've got, let me go to the 1 hour just to show you this one, not 15, 1 hour. This before the tariffs announcements. So we've got this up wave here, this corrective structure. We've got this correction here. Market went up, corrective structure up, all the way up. Correction up, pullback up, again, corrective structure up, and then this drop. After this drop, I have given this one, by the way, guys, during the trading psychology session, all right? So corrective structure here, this was the correction, and then market start to fall. This setup, I give it during this session. I'm not sure if it was recorded. You can double check that by yourself, okay? So if you watch this one, I have given this during the trading psychology session regarding this one, okay? Regarding this setup. And I said to them, guys, this is exactly what the setup in dollar yen. But anyway, we've got this drop. I said to them, wait for the corrective structure if you want to sell, and then you go for the drop. This was crazy again. It's very actually good one. And all the levels, by the way, were shared, I would say, by T during the private sessions on every Sunday and Wednesday and during the daily sessions as well. Now, Alan, for this one, what's next for gold? Guys, gold is about to finish this up wave. Yes, I know that a lot are predicting the 4K. Big banks, even JP Morgan started to predict the recession in US this year. And again, like I said, $5 trillion have actually wiped out from the stock market, and a lot of money entered the crypto market as well in the past 2 days. All of these guys will affect the markets, all right? Technically speaking, this is ready for a big pullback. Technically speaking, all right? Fundamentally, once we have, or like whenever we have uncertainty, gold will push to the upside. It's a safe haven. Most of you know that, all right? So fundamentally, this is up. Technically, this can start the bigger corrective structure. So what to do in this case? If we go to the 4 hours and we actually zoom in, if this will be the start of the reversal, market will open on Sunday, it will fall, it will give you a corrective structure. If you see that, this is a sell. Make sense? Now, if market will start, it will actually open here and will give you a corrective structure, this is a buy. All right, so it's not actually it's buy or sell, it's what you want to do. I'm giving you actually the structures, I'm giving you the setups, and I'm giving you the step-by-step process, okay? This technically is ready to fall, all right? So this can be the start of it. So either this will be ABC for another push up to break the top, or this will be 1, 2, and market is falling to the downside to give us the third wave and continue the downtrend. Technically speaking, this is a downtrend now. We have a low, lower high, and lower low. If market will fall more, depending on what the investors, big players will be doing, we will know on Sunday session in the first 10 to 12 hours of Monday, okay? So for this one, if market, like I said, the details and the levels will be given by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss it. It will be a live session as usual, where he covers all the pairs for you and give you the levels and the setups as well. So for this one, again, if market will open Monday here, give you a corrective structure, up is the move. You can start to buy this one. And we follow this one, how far this will be going, depending on the characteristic of this wave to the upside. If market will fall with the gap to the downside, market will keep falling. If you get a corrective structure, another drop will be coming. It will be the start of the bigger trend to the downside and the start of the bigger structure. Is that clear? At the moment, it's exactly in the middle, all right? Like I said, technically, market is ready to fall. Fundamentally, uncertainty and all what's happening, this is up. That's why the bias is mixed, is in the middle, and I'm giving you now what to do in this one and how to trade the next wave, all right? Aussie dollar for this one. This was, by the way, a surprise for this drop to me. I was not expecting that before market breaking this top, but this is what it is. Actually, market went to the downside, and now we are at this level. What's next? If we go to the daily structure, just to show you, this structure, guys, is about to get ready. Okay, so back to the 4 hours for this one. If we get here a corrective structure to the upside, another drop will be coming. So first thing first, up is the move before any next structure. You can look for these buy setups. You can trade this one step by step. You can make money trading this ones, guys, and then after that, you can look for the sell setups if you get a corrective structure in the first part of the week. New Zealand dollar is exactly the same. Again, if we get a corrective structure up, then a drop will be coming. First thing first, up is the move. I will be looking for the buy setups. If you want to look for the buy setups, you can do that. You can do so. And after this buy, you manage your trades. If you don't know how to trade correctly, make sure, guys, to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. Again, I'll give you the code shortly, guys, the coupon code for the discount. Do not miss it. If you'd like to join us and just test us if you'd like for the first month, you can do that. Dollar yen, this is the structure, guys, that I was explaining to the members during the trading psychology session. Look at this one. So this was the structure for exactly what happened to gold, right? So you have this up wave. Let me show you this one before I cover dollar yen. It's important. Let me try to show you this, all right? So if I copy this structure here, I go to gold again. Look at that. I said to the members during the trading psychology session again that was conducted 3 days ago. Look at this. This is dollar yen here, this chart, okay? So look at this with me. We've got this up wave here. We've got this up wave for gold, all right? This up wave here. We've got this drop, we've got this drop. We've got here this corrective structure to break the top, we've got this corrective structure to break the top. We've got this drop here, again we've got this drop here. Are you following me, guys? And then I said to them, if you get a corrective structure similar to this one, you go for this out. And that's exactly what happened here. Can you see that? If you can see it, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. That's exactly the structure, and that's why a lot of our members were looking for sells here because they know how to follow it. Dollar yen, back to this one. I'll go back to the 4 hours just to show you something here. That's the structure. So whenever you are expecting market to give you an expanding flat, again, this is a tip, or I would say this is something that I want to mention. If you are expecting market here to give you an expanding flat, or if you see this as an expanding flat, if market will give you a corrective structure, this means the structure is changing. So if you see this as an expanding flat and market give you a corrective structure, this will be falling. And that's exactly what happened here and what happened for gold. That's why, guys, knowledge is power. You have to learn the structures, you have to learn market structure, you have to learn weighted wave analysis concept before you risk your money. Otherwise, you will keep losing again and again. So you might win some, lose some, you might win and then you lose it all after. So this cycle, you have to break it. How to break it? Join someone who knows and who is able to teach you the right way. Okay? So dollar yen for this one, market went to the downside again. We have the change of structure here. We've got this drop. What's next? Up is the move. If we get a corrective structure here, up is the move. I'm looking for the buy setups here, guys. Any sell setup I will ignore for dollar yen. I'm looking for the buy setups only. Dollar Swiss for this one, market actually went to the downside, and anytime this can start to push up. If I get the buy setup, I'll be going for the buy setups. This will be pushing to the upside first part of the week. Dollar CAD for this one, again, market went to the downside, and after that, corrective structure up before the next drop. This can turn out to be an expanding flat again, just to show you something here. This can turn up easily to be an expanding flat before the next drop. This might be the structure, and the first wave that we will trade for dollar CAD is toward the upside. USOIL, I'll give you guys the code, keep watching. USOIL for this one, market went to the downside again due to all what was happening. After this one, let me go to the 4 hours. This actually too zoomed in. This because of the structure. But anyway, market is actually dropping to the downside. This is an opportunity. Okay? So if we get a corrective structure here, one more drop before the next up wave. For this one, I'll not be looking for the sell setups, is only buy. Okay? So if you get a buy setup, you go for it. Why this should push the upside? Because based on all what is happening, inflation will be rising. All the prices will be going to the upside as well in the US. Again, based on what will happen and based on the tariffs. I'll explain this, by the way, guys, in detail during the next Q&A session. The next Q&A session for WTW Pro members will be private. It will be for them only. And I'll be explaining about what's happening regarding the stock market, how to trade. I'll explain a new strategy as well. This will be next week. So if you will not join, guys, you will miss what? You will miss the Sunday session tomorrow. You will miss the Monday session with 2 of our seniors. You will miss actually the live session with our seniors on Tuesday, because we have sessions, guys, every day, right? So if I go to this one, just to show you again, look at this. I'll go to the Discord and then I'll go to daily sessions. Look at this one, just to show you something. Daily sessions. So we have sessions, guys, every single day of the week, okay? So you have sessions on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday as well, and Sunday. Every day we have live sessions. So the Sunday sessions, T is giving them, covering all the pairs. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the sessions are with our seniors, and T is giving you actually a pre-recorded session on Wednesday as an update session. On top of that, next week, I'll give you the live Q&A session, which is the monthly Q&A session regarding investments and stocks for our members. This will be as well next week. So if you'll not join, you'll be missing all of this. And if you want to miss that, it's up to you. But again, I'll explain about the recession. I'll explain about what's happening in the stock market, how to trade. I'll give you one strategy as well. It will be very important regarding how to invest. So if you are not actually aware about of this, you might be actually you might be late in trading the next wave, and you might miss it. Bitcoin, for this one, market actually is correcting. Like I said, trillions of dollars have injected in the stock market, and this actually what market is doing now. Anytime market can push to the upside. Like I said before, even if this will give us a corrective structure, or even if this will fall to the downside to this level, up is the move. For the crypto market, I'm biased to the upside. I'm repeating, it's not a trading signal. I'm just giving you my bias based on weighted wave analysis concept. Jumping in, it might lead to big losses, and if you don't know how to trade correctly, you might lose all your money. So that's why trading is not easy. It will become easy only after you learn how to trade correctly. So for this one, the bias is toward the upside from the current level, or even if this will give us one more drop, up is the move, no question. Now regarding the code, guys, because this is important as well, I will give this to just the next 5 to 6 people who will use it. So for this one, this is only for the people who never joined us before. This is the coupon code, guys. You can apply it on the website. Coupon code, it's WTW99. For this one, you will get actually access to WTW Pro monthly only for $99 instead of $145. This only for the first month, of course, just for you to come, see, test us, and see if you like us or not. How to do that? So if you go to the website, just to show you, and you go to join WTW Pro as example, and this one, you go to this section here, you go to this page, you click add a discount code, and here you put WTW99, and you click apply. Once you do that, you will see that you will get a discount of $46 for the first month. Of course, I'm repeating, $99, you will get access to everything from day one, okay? So if you like this one, this again, I would say special discount for those who want to test us. You can apply. This is limited, of course. Anytime this can stop, and like I said, once 5 to 6 members will be using this one, we will stop this one. I believe Joe have set up this one automatically, by the way. So this will be stopped automatically once 5 to 6 members will be joining. So you can take advantage of this one if you'd like to. Join WTW Pro, guys, and get all the knowledge, get everything what you should get. And in this one, like I said, if you like us, you can continue next month normally. If not, you can cancel, and then that's it. Okay? So USD30 for this one, market went to the downside, of course, because of the tariffs, and the structure have changed here. Okay? So for USD30, this is not a regular flat anymore. This is not a corrective structure anymore, and market have changed here the structure to the downside, and market will be falling more. Okay? So for this one, those of you who don't know, this, by the way, was the biggest sell daily drop, I would say, for USD30 since the past few years as well. So for this one, you know, most of you what is happening, and this will be explained anyway in detail tomorrow during the Sunday session regarding the tariffs, how much tariffs Trump was putting. Again, in this one, I'll discuss this in detail during the next Q&A session to not waste time here, but just to let you know, this is actually a bear market. JP Morgan, they are actually predicting the recession this year in the US. So everything, we might get a corrective structure, another drop. This might fall more. Now, for the traders, this is a problem. For investors, this is an opportunity. This is what I'll explain later in the next Q&A session. So for now, this can rebound, of course. We'll get the corrective structure drop, another corrective structure. This can be bigger than that. So now we are in a downtrend. Any corrective structure is a selling opportunity for the traders. For the investors, you can start, guys, to think about it, because if you are not in this one, this is an opportunity for you. Okay? So with that note, guys, like I said, you can use this coupon code if you'd like to join us. And this coupon code is just valid for few members. If you want, again, keep this one for those who have never actually joined us before. And if you would like to, you can anyway join the Trade Nation, guys. We are partnering with them. You can find the link here in this one. You can sign up for this. If you'd like actually a low cost fixed spreads, you can sign up with Trade Nation. They are actually trusted brokers. They are very big. You can check them, guys. You can try them as well. I'll put the links for you in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. Plus, the coupon code is here. You can use it, and I see all of you next Saturday. Thank you very much.